Hello, is that sun bright or what? Wow, let me get out of there, just 1 second. Nearly there, nearly there, nearly there, right, there we go, I can see himself now. Richard Painter, so VW Polo is finished, he's picking it up today. Just thought we'd do like a little walk around video, just so we can show you. You've seen us coming out. So yeah, been an interesting one, this one. It's had a bit of a crash at the back. Boot lid doesn't quite line up properly, doesn't quite want to behave, if you like. That's going to need a bit more of an adjustment, a revisit, should we say. Customer's aware of that. I think he's going to, from what he said, have a go. We'd have to still clamp it down and pull it really hard, and which we can do. It's just wasn't budgeted for in the job, and we can't really go too far. There's a budget in mind that we have to stick to, so there's only so much we can do. So the reason for that actually is because he had a different boot lid, so the other boot lid would obviously had bent at the same time and kind of worked, whereas this is a straight boot lid from somewhere else. So just checking on the dog. So a few things that we've done quickly. We've left the badge off for now. Customer's going to do that, so he's debadged it, deleted it, sorry, rear wiper. Got a spoiler on it now, which looks nice. You can see there, silly little thing. This was knackered on the old one. As you can see, it's now got a nice new one in there. And I've just left dust all over it, can you believe it? There we go. So you can see it's all painted now, looking nice. His plates are on there, but obviously we're not showing them. So what we've done, we've just tidied it all up for him. The windows have been out. If you'd have seen the other videos, you'd have seen these have been out. And because these have been out, we couldn't get the original trim. There's like a rubber trim that sits in there. And to be honest with you, I think it looks far better without them. Makes it look more modern. So you see, like on the rear windows, the same. Look. They used to have like a fitted, you see like a black trim in there. They used to have that on the back three windows, but because we can't get them, according to the windscreen guy, and I says, well, I think they look better anyway, it looks cleaner. So wheels are just his wheels, same as what we do for everybody if we've got tyres on. Just make sure everything's clean and represented nice for the customer to pick it up. Camera's seeing it first, if you like, so you can get an idea what it looks like. So we've done that bottom splitters, as you can see down there, it's gloss black. The indicators are in there, they're taped. I don't know if you can see that bit of tape there. They're taped there, so basically what's happened is customers got some new like a smoked type of cleary smoke type setup. So we've just left them taped inside the wing, and then he's bringing them with him today, so they'll get swapped round. Hey, come on. Dog's found something interesting there. So yeah, I'll walk you around it again just so you can see. It's not a lot I can do really, it's like a reveal if you like. Customer will see it first. So. Something else we've done is put these trims back on without all the, you see these, if you remember us painting these, and obviously these have been off, bit of polishing there. So it's all been done nice now. Keep walking around it is the problem, and you're like, oh, have I missed something? Have I done something? I always like to keep checking them. There we go. Yeah, so we've got different mirrors on it now. You'd have seen them painted in part 1 or part 2, whichever one that was. We've put them back on. A couple of rubbers have been changed. For anybody out there, actually, not that it's the customer's fault, but some of these aftermarket wings, these are terrible. So this side doesn't fit too bad. Tiny bit out of shape at the bottom. The other side, the actual piece where it bolts to the front of the car, has actually been welded on about 15mm back, which isn't very good. The customer's aware of it. We've kind of left that as that because we are working to a tight budget. If there were genuine wings, obviously you wouldn't have had that issue anyway, but I'm not sure even if you can buy genuine wings anymore for these. I don't even know if you can get insurance approved anymore. So you kind of have to accept what you get, really. But as a whole, it looks nice now. Hopefully it looks nice on the camera, so you don't need to keep staring at my face. Yeah, hopefully the customer likes it. It's all one shade of red now, which is nice. Customer will be pleased with that. It's not pink. There's no lack appeal anymore. So yeah, it looks nice. Let's go and see what the dog's found. What you found, puppy? What you found? Hey? That's Alan, if you didn't know. Sniffing around, found something, no doubt. These are quite nice as well, actually. The light on here now, on the spoiler, as opposed to a high level one coming out the boot lid, excuse me. Yeah, that's about it for now. About it for this one. It's only a short video. Just thought we'd do a walk around. I think I did say I would, so I'm just doing one. See what you think. And then yeah, I'll see you on the next one. We've got some updates on the MG. We've got another MG as well. Quite a bit to do, to be honest with you. So there'll be quite a few videos coming soon. One MG is a lot of metal work. You've kind of seen the customer updates of that. And the other MG is more so, there's a bit of metal work, but it's more so a paint job. The customer's done quite a bit to that one. Right, well I better get on because I've got loads to do. I'll just walk around here once more, and then I'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Okay, must remember to mention it. What do you reckon, Alan? Hey?